Dear students, our today's topic is factorization and factorization of quadratic equations. So we'll discuss this topic today, factorization of quadratic equation. And the method I will use is midterm breaking. And the standard quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c, right? So we'll take some easier questions today, and in the next video we'll take some uh, difficult questions or technical. Right. I use the quadratic equations in which coefficient of x squared in a equals to 1. So take an example. So x squared plus 7x plus 12. Right. Here in this equation, for factorization, this sign is very much important. Keep this sign in your mind. So if there is plus sign, it means both factors are of same sign, right? Here the sign is positive, it means the both factors are. So now we just need two numbers. When we add them, we get 7, and when we multiply them, we get 12. So plus 7 and plus 12. So you know that there are two numbers, 3 and 4. When we add them, we get 7, and when we multiply them, we get 12. So it's x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 12, right? The first factor, x is taken as common. We left here x plus 3 and plus 4 is common to both. We left x and plus 3. See, 4x and 4 3 is a 12. X is the x squared, x 3 the 3x. So now we have x plus 3 and we left here x plus 4, which is the answer. I hope you understand it. If you don't, please rewind it and see all this again. Now let's take one more question of this type, and then we will go for the further or the next type. So x squared plus 9x plus 14. Now see, this is the plus sign. It means both factors are of same sign. See, we have 9 and we have 14. So we just think, and we found that two numbers, when we add we get 9, when we multiply we get 14, or 7 and 2. See, 7 plus 2 is 9 and 7 multiplied 2 is 14. So now we can break the midterm 9 with 7 and 2. So 7x plus 2x plus 14. So we have two factors rather. X is taken common. We left with x plus 7, plus we have 2 common, x plus 7, right? So we have x plus 7 and we left x plus 2. Okay, one more thing, don't forget to write equals to sign here, and this is the answer. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand this well. Now come to next question. Suppose we have x squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay, now again this is plus sign, so both factors are of same sign. Means the minus 5 and plus 6. So we need two numbers. When we add them, we get minus 5, and when we multiply them, we get plus 6. It means that both numbers will be of same sign, means both will be negative. Means when we multiply two negative numbers, we get plus sign, and when we add two negative numbers, we get minus sign. So there are minus 3 and minus 2 are the two numbers. When we add them, we get minus 5, and when we multiply them, we get plus 6. Minus minus plus 3 to the 6. Okay, now we split it a bit. Don't forget to write equals to sign here. Minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Right, these are two values, two terms. First term, we get x as common. We left with x and minus 3. Minus 2 common, x minus 3. See, when we multiply this, minus 2x and minus minus plus 6. So we take common x minus 3. We left with x and minus 2, which is our answer. I hope you understand this. I'll give one more example of this. X square minus 18x plus 45. Right? So now here we have minus 18 and plus 45. It means we need two numbers. When we add them, we get minus 18, and when we multiply them, we get plus 45. Means that both number will be of minus sign, right? These numbers are minus 3 minus 15, minus 3 multiplied by minus 15. So minus minus plus 15 is 45, and 15 plus 3 is 18, and the sign is minus. Okay, well, we just split the middle term, x square minus 3x minus 15x plus 45, right? So from this term, just take x as a common, x minus 3 minus 15 common, and x minus 3. See, minus 15x and minus minus plus 15 is 45. So from these two terms or values, we take x minus 3 common. We left with x and minus 15, which is the answer. So I just summarize today's lesson that factorization of quadratic equation method is midterm method, and I took plus sign here. If plus sign here means both factors are of same, and if plus here means both signs of plus sign, both factors are of plus sign, and which is minus here, both factors of minus sign, but both factors will be of same, right? So uh, this is the factorization of quadratic equations. In the next video, I will teach you when minus sign here, what will we do. Okay, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. In the comment section, if you have any difficulty to understand it, just write your question or whatever you want to learn. Just write in comments. I will honor you. Even if you have difficulty to factorize this quadratic equation or any quadratic equation, just write the quadratic equation in the comment section. I will inshallah solve it for you. Thank you very much for today.